How to recover 5 years old WhatsApp messages without backup or recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a file manager in your device. After you open it up, now head to your internal storage. Now from this internal storage, tap on Android. From here, go to media. Now from here, you have to go to com.whatsapp. Then again tap on WhatsApp. From here tap on databases. Here you have to select all of these files given in this interface. After that head over to the top right corner, then tap on three dots icon. From here tap on copy to. Now after you tap on copy to, you will have an option as internal storage at the bottom of your interface. Select internal storage and from here again tap on Android. Then again tap on media. Now again go to com.whatsapp. Then go to WhatsApp. Now from here tap on backups. Then tap on copy here. Once you have copied your file, now from here you will be able to recover your deleted messages. And that's how you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.